So you want to extrude in Blender. Well, we're going to keep the default cube right there, okay? We're in object mode up here. You see object mode? Okay, object mode, we're going to hit tab, see right here, tab, and that changes it to edit mode, okay? Then once we're in edit mode, we're going to select face right there. This is face, this is for edge, this is for vertices, which is one of these. And we're going to select the face. We're going to hit the E key and move. E key as in extrude. E for extrude. Extrude, E key. Boom, look at that. Boom, look at that. All right, just keep hitting the E key. We can extrude. Oh man, look at that. E key. And we move back. Here we go. E key. We move up. E key. And we move over. E key. Look at that. E, extrude. E, extrude. E, extrude. Oh man, there's so many extrusions. Look at these extrusions happening. E, extrude. E, extrude. E, extrude. Repetition is the mother of skill. E, extrude. You should be doing this, not me. E, extrude. Look at that. E, extrude. Now, one real cool thing about this is that you can also extrude on the edges, like that, like that, like that, like that. E, 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 E. The individual vertex or the plural vertices. E, extrude. See that? Look at that. How cool is that? E, look at that. E, extrude stuff. You can extrude the vertex, the vertices, or the edges, or the faces. That's on you. Now this is a mess, but I think you get the point. Now go out there and make something awesome, okay? I believe in you. You can do it. You have what it takes. Hey, look at me, look at me. You have what it takes, okay? Go get it. And have a blast doing it. Man, have a blast. All right, I'll talk to you soon.